What's good everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here it is main script. First time coming across this channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. So guys, in today's video we are diving into something different. So as you know, my channel is on how to make money online, participating in airdrops, crypto projects, earning app, forex trading, stock updates and lots. In today's video I'll be taking you through on how to use ChatGPT to read the forex market news. So let's say you're a forex trader and you don't know how to read news, so I'll be taking you through on how to do that in this video, because I actually recorded a video yesterday before the CPI drops. The US CPI that dropped yesterday at around 1:30. I actually recorded the video but I wasn't able to edit it. So in the video I actually used ChatGPT to predict the direction where the market will be going. Asked him some question about his expectation for CPI. He told me his expectation, so from his prediction I was able to get if the market was going to buy or sell. So you'll be seeing the chart. This was from yesterday's conversation with ChatGPT. So you can use ChatGPT to read news. So let's take for example a news I'll be dropping tomorrow, which is this. So you can just come over to my forex book, then just take a screenshot of this news. So once you've taken the screenshot, just go over to your ChatGPT, paste in the screenshot, then ask it to make the analysis, its prediction on what the markets will be doing. Then it's going to be giving you its prediction. Okay, so before we get into this video, if you are not following me, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. Yesterday market movement was bullish, yeah. So USD was expected to be selling and it's actually sold. Looking at the core inflation results, it gave 0.1%. This is worse than expected. So with these results now, you can tend to know that USD won't be doing well. So for example, GBP USD, since GBP is the base currency, USD is the code currency. So GBP USD will be buying against USD, and that was what happened yesterday. Okay, we also be seeing the inflation rate here to 0.1%. This also means that USD is presently weak. You see, this is an I news. I only trade I news. Just coming over to this actual here. So this gave a -1 of the expected results. Why this gives 0.1% minus 0.1% of the expected results? This fell -0.2%. This one -0.4%. So everything here, all the results here were just giving minus minus. So the strength of USD yesterday was very weak. Let me just go out to my conversation with ChatGPT. Like I said the other time, you can use ChatGPT to read news. You can use it to ask for price prediction of a particular pair. So let's say you want to start trading XAU USD, you can ask ChatGPT for its prediction, then comparing your prediction with his own prediction, so you tend to know where the market will be going. If you both prediction are the same thing, that means the market will actually be going the same way. So for me yesterday, my prediction for CPI was USD to sell. Why? Because of what is presently happening in the US, that is United States of America. So the first conversation I did, I asked ChatGPT what is CPI, then he told me that CPI is Consumer Price Index, which is the measure that tracks the average change in prices of goods and services that consumers typically buy, like food, rent, clothing. It's used to check inflation price. Then I asked, what is your prediction for today's CPI that will be dropping by 1:30 p.m. I told ChatGPT, looking at the economic situation in the United States, then it gave me his prediction. He said the headline CPI was plus 0.2%, and let's just scroll down there. You see my clear prediction here. This for ChatGPT. So May headline is 0.2%, pushing to around 2.5%. So you see this core CPI is 0.2% to 0.3%. So USD outlook at 1:30 p.m. This is it. If CPI hits or slightly beats the forecast, the USD will likely to be strengthened. That is trying to tell us that if the result that drop beats this forecast that's been displayed here, that USD currency is going to be very strong. Then he said if CPI comes in softer, 0.1% or below, currency weakness may occur. And that was what happened yesterday. Currency strength of USD was very weak. So me asking ChatGPT, it actually gave me two predictions. He gave me the first one. If the CPI hit or slightly beats the forecast, that is, I should be expecting USD to be strengthened, but if not, I should be expecting USD to be weakened. Then I asked him, what's your actual prediction? Then he told me that the USD will be buying. He said prediction summary, CPI will meet or slightly beat forecast, that is USD buying pressure in the short term. So this was his actual prediction, USD buying. But okay, ChatGPT wasn't able to like make the actual prediction, but it actually gave me the two lookouts I should be expecting on USD. And having in mind what he said here, so I was able to like get to know what the market will be doing. Like I said in this video, due to the fact that United States is not presently stable, so their currency is presently weak. You see the trade I took this GBP USD trade from this price because I was expecting GBP USD to be very bullish, so I took the buy from this point. This was when CPI dropped, so you see that my actual prediction was right, and what ChatGPT also said was actually right, or his actual prediction was wrong. But he told me the lookout I should be expecting. So once the news just dropped, I should just come over to my forex book to just check the results. So I'll be using the results to trade the market. But I was already in the market, and how did I know? Using my technical analysis, so I was able to know that GBP USD is bullish, and also going over to DXY, that is the dollar index. I just went over to the charts to check what the market will be doing. So you see my prediction here. I was just expecting the market should just drop massively, and that was what happened. The market dropped massively, so you see the drop from this point. Looking at the time here, 1:30 p.m. in Nigeria time. Okay, this was when the news dropped, and my actual prediction was right, so I was able to like take the trade on GBP USD and also maximize my opportunity on GBP USD. So the reason for this video is just to tell us that you can use ChatGPT to trade the market, but it's not 100% right. So you have to also use the market situation to also judge, to act as a backup. Combining ChatGPT results with your own result, it should be able to give you a very productive result. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you want more of this video, just drop a comment that you want more on forex market video. I'll be making series of them. Make sure you turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. Bye guys, and stay tuned for more updates.